many reasons to advocate veganism, any one of which would be enough. Dayenu. In my book, Eating the Earth, I discuss many of these reasons. We advocate veganism for the animals because we protect so many lives. We reduce so much pain and suffering. We express our compassion every time we consume and, importantly, don't consume certain things that are regularly consumed. We advocate veganism for health. And when I say health, I mean our mental health as well as our physical health, personal health as well as public health. The leading causes of death, starting with heart disease and some cancers, stroke, as well as diabetes and so on, hypertension. These are all associated with animal foods, and we know plant foods are better for that. As a community, plant-based eaters are happier, healthier, live significantly longer. And when it comes to public health, we've seen that not only COVID and other plagues, major flus throughout the 20th century have been associated also with meat eating and the destruction of habitats for animals. We advocate veganism for our environment because we know plant-based living fights climate change. We know that deforestation in the Amazon, which is the most biodiverse place on the planet, is associated with the livestock industry. And it's not just in the Amazon, because we're seeing forests being destroyed in Central America and Indonesia and elsewhere. We know that veganism is better for our air and water, which are being desecrated with pollution. We know about the biodiversity loss. And we say it in such a sanitized phrase because there's this whole-scale genocides against animals and plants, some of which we know and have discovered and named, and so many going extinct that we haven't even discovered yet. We advocate veganism for peace because it's a peaceful way of eating. It's a kindness to ourselves, to others, and to animals. We know that plant-based diets are better for our spirits. And so we advocate veganism because it's consistent with the values of Judaism, as well as other religions, ideologies, and philosophies, including democracy and utilitarianism, but just basic decency. We advocate veganism because it's the right and just thing to do, because we know we're on the right side of history and it's going to be something that happens eventually. But the sooner something good happens, the better it is. The more lives we save, the happier we are, the more sustainable our presence. We advocate veganism. We do it for these and other reasons. As I said, even one of which would be enough, one of which would be more than enough. But we have many, many reasons to do so. May it come in our time.